Premium tools and services to consider. Marketing Mojo. Marketing Mojo is a paid search advertising agency that offers LinkedIn ad management as part of their services. They offer strategic alignment and goal development, research and targeting creation, creative setup, constant optimization, regular reporting, and client communication. Brand Dignity. Brand Dignity is a digital marketing and advertising company that offers LinkedIn advertising services. They start by identifying your LinkedIn marketing goals. Then they craft and execute a LinkedIn advertising strategy that fits your vision. Lastly, they keep on monitoring and adjusting your campaigns to ensure maximum return on investment. AtStage. AtStage is a certified LinkedIn advertising partner that offers one of the most advanced advertising suites on the market. It will allow you to easily set up hundreds of direct sponsored content and text ad variations in minutes, to manage multiple ad accounts at scale, to reach the right audience at the right time, to get better results through automations, and to analyze performance in less time. Passion Digital. Passion Digital is an online advertising company that strives to offer simple, affordable digital marketing services to any type of client. Its LinkedIn advertising service offers you the opportunity to assign your LinkedIn ad efforts to a LinkedIn specialist that will get your business in the forefront of LinkedIn advertising. Linked Dominator. Linked Dominator is a LinkedIn advertising automation tool that will allow you to manage and automate your LinkedIn advertising campaigns. It can also add connections to your account on autopilot and send automated in-mail invitations. Crystal. Crystal is a data profiling tool that automatically reviews the information provided on a LinkedIn page or profile to help you assess a potential target's personality. You can then use that information to increase your chances of effectively communicating your message to your targets. Crystal will also allow you to import your LinkedIn contacts to give you a personality report based on the information gathered from their profiles in order to give you real-time advice on how to craft personalized emails while you compose them. LeadFuse. LeadFuse has been designed to make lead generation easy and automated by offering LinkedIn marketers a software-based platform that does all the hard work. It can automate lead generation by finding prospects using targeted filters such as job titles, locations, and industries. It also retrieves information such as email addresses, phone numbers, company names, domain names, and social media profiles. Sales Tools. Sales Tools is a data collection solution that will allow you to import lists of acquired leads from LinkedIn to your computer in Excel format. It can also simplify live data search by allowing you to gather information from LinkedIn with a few clicks. Strunk Media. Strunk Media is a marketing company that offers LinkedIn advertising services for business-to-business clients eager to reach professionals in their element. The company's hyper-targeted LinkedIn advertising solutions include specialized targeting, hands-on management, and in-depth monitoring. Sprinkler. Sprinkler is a social media management platform that offers a complete set of campaign management and automation tools for LinkedIn advertisers that want to integrate their LinkedIn advertising efforts with the rest of their marketing tools.